So a few nights ago, my IBM 5154 monitor decided to give up the magic smoke while I was recording some gameplay footage of Leisure Suit Larry to put on my channel. So I was able to catch the smoke coming out of the top of the monitor. It was coming out right over in this section here, out of these vents, and below that inside is the power supply. So it was bad smoke. I just got this monitor. I'm like, great, dead monitor. So I gave Adrian a call, my friend from Adrian's Digital Basement, and he was like, yeah, no problem, bring it over, we can see what's going on. I did not record any video footage of the actual repair, but basically had to crack open the monitor. There was 5 screws to pull the back off. It was easy to get the power supply out of the monitor, but there were 3 rivets that should have been drilled out, but I ended up dremeling them. Adrian didn't have a drill bit that was strong enough to go through the metal, so I dremeled them out, got into the power supply, replaced 2 RIFAs. One was blown, one was on the way to be blown, and put it all back together. Did a smoke test. I've got a picture of the RIFAs, one blown and one cracked, and then a little video footage of Adrian doing a smoke test to make sure it wasn't going to smoke anymore, and giving the monitor a quick tune-up with the colors. So without any further ado, here's some of that footage. Oh crap. And the magic smoke coming out of the monitor. Alright, well apparently my IBM 5154 EGA color monitor has let out the magic smoke, and it smells really bad, so I've turned off the monitor. It's probably a RIFA or something like that. Time to give Adrian a call and see if we can get this taken care of.
So I don't know where Focus is. The writing, by the way, is just like a brand name, so it's not a...
The color looks really good.
Alright, so...
The price was right. Alright, so my IBM 5154 is back together. It's working great. I've got Leisure Suit Larry and Land of the Lounge Lizards up and ready to record my footage, so I just wanted to put an end to this video. I want to thank Adrian from Adrian's Digital Basement for helping me get my monitor all fixed up and tuned up. One of the clips you hear me say the price is right. Basically, I bought Adrian dinner for helping me get my monitor fixed up. So again, thank you, Adrian. And one correction, there are 6 screws to open the back of the monitor, not 5. And I'm going to put a link in the description to a video I found of another YouTuber that had the similar problem, and he has a really good video on how to get into it and what he did to fix his power supply. So check that out. And now, as it says on the screen, it's time to slip into my leisure suit and prepare to enter the land of the lounge lizards. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I should be adding more videos as time goes on and I get a little more comfortable with this whole recording of videos and trying to get good footage and editing and all that fun stuff. So thanks again. See you next time.